our Rizal Memorial Courts, and we are optimistic that we can come up to the standards of the WTA. Ang goal po namin is, sasabihin ko na rin, sabi nga ni Chairman, think big, di ba? So, in the world, there are about 52 to 53 WTA 125 tournaments. And every year, a tournament is voted who is the best WTA 125. There's also an award for best WTA 500. So Chairman, I'm going to be bold and say that we are going to vie to win the award for the best WTA 125. With God's help. Short kwento lang, I went to Hong Kong last October to watch the WTA 250 where Alex was playing, and then nakipag-meet ako sa mga officials ng Hong Kong Tennis Association. Napanganga sila nung sinabi ko na yung tournament namin is January 24 to 31, 2026. Ayaw nilang maniwala. Sabi, 2027? You mean 2027, right? I said, no, 2026. No la, cannot la. I said, yes, we can. So here we are. So if you can bear with us, we're really trying to do the best that we can, and many thanks to the media for helping us with this. So, COO Mark Lapid, maraming salamat. Can you share with us a few words? Thank you so much for supporting our tournament. It means so much. Please give a big hand to Mark Lapid.
Thank you, Ma'am Diana. Pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. Of course, to our chairman, Chairman Pato, kay Mayor John Ray at Janko, our PhilTo Secretary General, kay Sir Don, nandiyan din po, Sir Tats, makasama natin yung champion ng sports tourism. A pleasant afternoon again, and of course to our Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, who's heading us under the Department of Tourism. As our chairman mentioned a while ago, there's a lot of events coming up. For this one, just please bear with us. As Ma'am Diane said, inahabol namin yung qualification na tayo ay maging hosting event at ma-appreciate at makita ng international community na the Philippines is capable of hosting big events. So on our end naman for the tourism, aside from promoting our country different beaches, siyempre, sports tourism is one thing that we can explore, maximize. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga nung nag-usap kami ni Chairman Pato, sabi ko, DOT, our tourism family keeps on promoting, inviting, and selling our country in different countries outside of the Philippines. So, ang isang bagay na tinignan namin, and I think one opportunity for this sports tourism is, if we cannot convince them to come in our country, maybe we can probably force them to come here by hosting these international events. And through hosting these international events, definitely tourists will go, families of each participants will go. We consider them as tourists, and we can explore not only through festivities that tourists come, but through sporting events, they can come and they can experience what we call the Filipino hospitality, which is, that's our main asset. Not the beaches, not the mountains, but the people itself, the Filipino people. So if we can show it to the different international community of sports, not only for the tennis, but also for the volleyball, which we held the FIBB last time, and through that, I heard we will be hosting the women's World Championship, because they appreciated how we were able to host it properly, how warm the Filipino community has welcomed the sports, and not only for the women's volleyball, but we're also looking for LPGA to come here so that there will be a, in short, home court advantage for our Filipino athletes who are competing in these international events. And then like futsal, we're also involved there, the World Gymnastics that was recently held, and then the Philippine Cup, yung huli, yung LIB, na ginawa sa Santa Elena. So they'll be putting up a Philippine Cup, a regular leg for the Philippines already, and that's one thing that to showcase our Filipino golfers here in our country. So you know, ang objective ng tourism family headed by our secretary, and of course to really help and promote our country in different avenues, not only for selling the beautiful beaches but also for the sports tourism. And ito, kamukha nga na sinabi ni Ma'am Dayan kanina tsaka ni Sir Ray, medyo mabilis ito kasi we had our first National Sports Tourism Interagency Committee meeting. I think that was November 18 when we convened it, and then the week after, Secpato and Sir Ray wrote us for the WTA commitment and sponsorship, and then this week, last Tuesday, we were able to approve the amount that was requested to us, and hoping by next week we can transfer already the money to them so then we can start the preparation already. So yun po, rest assured, the sports tourism, isa lang ito, start pa lang, panimula, headed by of course, our President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, and who really gave us a go signal to really do our best and everything that we can do to really make this happen and host and show our country how beautiful it is and how warm our Filipinas are. Thank you. Pleasant afternoon.